Baby, 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 baby. Hello, my loves. Today, I'm gonna show you guys this lace wig that I bought for $50 on Amazon. What lace, baby? All right, let's get into it. You see those edges? Pre-plucked, pre-plucked. So the brand of this wig is Sensationnel, and it's the Tyrina Cloud9 Swiss lace. What lace? What I got it in was the 12-inch in the color 1B. The frontal is 13 by 6 and it comes with baby hair, hair illusion. It's HD lace, resistant fiber, and it looks so natural. As you can tell, I already started, and what I did was I turned the wig on the inside and started fading it out with my liquid foundation to make it or give it that natural blend. Okay. Look how easy this part. Look at that.
I'm excited.
Look at that. Come on now. And you see how easy the comb glides through that hair? It's a comb right through. Alright, watch this. I said the hair not even cut nor glued on it, but you know what? Let's get laced. Let's. This step is not really necessary, but you can if you want to. Grab that got to be glued blasting free spray, girl, and spray exactly around your edges, and you want to get it exactly at the hairline. This way you don't have your wig falling in the middle or the center of your forehead. You can actually see your forehead. So let's go ahead and get that stocking cap, well, the extra piece of the stocking cap removed. And by the way, I'm actually using stocking and not the literal wig cap. So yeah, go ahead, cut the edges off. Bear in mind you don't need to lift the stocking too hard. Just barely lift the extra piece and glide with your razor. Alright, that's it done. So we finished cutting off the extra stocking cap now, and we're going in with this GHOSTBOND glue that I got from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. This works very well. After you put the stocking cap on, you want to layer this around the extreme edge to get the wig glued down in transparency, okay? So here I don't really use a lot because, you know, me and the girl not getting in a fight. So I don't need a lifelong hold. Nobody not draw off my wig, and I need it to come off pretty easy when I need it to come off. So I just use like a less than, let's say, a centimeter between my skin and the cap just to hold the wig down.
Y'all ready for this?
Alright, so you saw me line the stocking cap with the GHOSTBOND glue. You saw me blow dry it for about Well, I did that for about 5 seconds, and then I dropped the wig on, centered it a bit, and now I'm going to use my elastic band, rubber band, or regular band to strap the wig so that the lace can sink and become transparent with the glue. Now, this is not the typical band from Amazon. You can save your money. This I got from an old skirt that I had, and I'm just gonna tie it tight enough so that the glue can actually press into the pores of the mesh to come out very natural. The lace is all melting now, and we're going to use our razor, cut the middle, and just razor that off. Cut that right off, and it will automatically cut exactly where the glue is, the lining of the glue is. Remember not to pull on the lace, just barely lift the loose end up, and you'll be good to go. After cutting off all the excess lace, now you want to tie that back down, or before you tie that back down, you want to spray some of the free spray on it, like under the lifted areas, and then you tie that back down so that you can get it all laid. Let me zoom in on this for y'all. Okay. The hairline looks very straight, but bear in mind that this is a bob wig, so all you need is a little baby hair, and that's what we're gonna do right now. So watch me take a little piece out from the side, and then I'm gonna do that to the opposite side, and that would be that for this wig. Continue watching. The end result is coming up. I also used a little Gorilla Glue to hold the edges down a bit. Alright, so let's get ready for the day now. Today I was going to Holywell to spend my birthday with my friend, and let's get ready. So this is my finished look, my people. One side looks a little bit shorter, and we'll fix that later, but you get the gist. Cute, like you can't go wrong with a band. I mean, a bob. And we know that all things work together for good for them that love God and those who have been called according to his purpose. Romans 8 verse 28. That's all, folks.